Dear students, let's start with exercise 4.4. This is very easy exercise. You have done it also in 4.2 exercise where you were finding discriminant, and then on the basis of discriminant you were finding whether the equation has real roots, equal roots or imaginary roots. Let us see how these questions goes. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. Means you have to find the nature of the roots. Roots are real, unequal, or roots are equal, or they are imaginary. You have to find their nature. And in case there are real roots, you will have to find the roots also. Clear? See, this is a quadratic equation given. If you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Now you have to find discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. B square means minus 4 root 3 ka square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is 4. 4 का स्क्वायर इज 16 and root 3 का स्क्वायर इज 3. 16 3 the 48 minus 4 4 the 16 3 the 48. This is coming 0. When discriminant is 0, equation has equal real roots. I want to make it more clear to you. You know, if d is greater than 0, then equation has unequal real roots. Clear? If d is equal to 0, equation has equal real roots. And if d is less than 0, then equation has no real roots. It has only imaginary roots. Clear? So here d is 0, equation has equal real roots. And how will you find those roots? Minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. For one root you will put here plus sign. For second root you will put here minus sign. This is one root and this is second root. Minus b is minus b root 4 root 3 plus root d. D is 0 upon 2 into 3. Minus minus plus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. 2 to the 4. So here 2 will come. This is root 3 and this is 3. You know 3 means root 3 into root 3. So this is 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. It is 4 root 3 upon 2 root 3 into root 3, you can say. 3 means root 3 into root 3. Root 3 will cut. 2 1 the 2 2 the. So what is left? 2 is left and this root 3 is left. Clear? Similarly here, minus b minus root 0 upon 2 into 3 minus minus again plus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. Clear? Again same, cutting, you will be getting 2 root 3. One root is this and this is your second root. Clear? Now come to question number 2. It's other parts. Question number 1, other parts you will do yourself. Question number 2. Find the values of k for which each of the following quadratic equations have 2 equal roots. 2 equal roots. Equal roots condition is there. It means d should be equal to 0. First of all, see the equation which is given to us. kx, x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Let's convert it into the quadratic equation. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Compare it with the general equation. A is k, b is minus 2k, and c is 6. Clear? We have to find d. D is b square minus 4ac. B square means minus 2k ka square minus 4 into a is k, c is 6. 4k square minus 2 for 24k. Now because the equation has real equal roots. Equal roots means d should be equal to 0. You can say 4k square minus 24k should be equal to 0. Take 4k common. In the bracket what will be left? K minus 6 is equal to 0. Product of two quantities equal to 0. This also may be 0. Yeah, this may be a 0. If 4k is equal to 0, k is equal to 0 upon 4, that is 0. K minus 6 is equal to 0, k is equal to 6. So we have got two values of k, that is one is 0 and another is 6. Is it clear? Come to question number 4. Question number 3 is also very simple. Do it yourself. Very simple it is. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Whose present ages? The sum of the age of two friends is 20 years. Sum of age of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 48. See, sum of age of two friends is 20 years. If one friend age is x years, then other friend's age will be 20 minus x, because sum of both their ages is 20. If one is having age x years, another will be of 20 minus x years. Now it is given 4 years ago, age of product of the age of both the friends is 48. Means 4 years ago, age of first friend into age of second friend is equal to 48. Look, present age is x. 4 years ago, what will be age? X minus 4. Second friend has age 20 minus x. So 4 years ago it will be 20 minus x minus 4. And their product is 48. Let us solve. X minus 4. 20 minus 4, it is 16. Minus x is equal to 48. Multiply. X into 16, 16x. Minus x square. Minus 4 into 16, minus 64. Minus 4 into minus x plus 4x is equal to 48. Minus x square. 16x plus 4x, 20x. Minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 20x. This is minus 112 is equal to 0. I am taking minus common. X square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Now we have to tell ki whether this situation is possible or not. Means this equation roots are possible or not. So compare again.